Thank you for watching this brief overview of the VeryPay mobile payment system. VeryPay consists of two user-facing applications. On the left is the customer app, and on the right is the merchant and agent app. VeryPay is not an e-wallet. It is a set of easy-to-use applications linked to an e-wallet. Therefore, to start with, we require users to be registered with a mobile money provider. To get started, the user typically inputs their phone number and name, which VeryPay looks up via API with the eWallet provider. Once verified, VeryPay creates the user profile and grants access to the app. Now we are ready to go. To begin with, customers can perform a transaction in the following ways. They can tap an NFC card or a bracelet on a merchant's device. They can generate a virtual card on an Android phone and tap to pay. They can scan merchant's QR code or show a pass in a Google Wallet. Adding an NFC bracelet or card to a user account is simple. The customer simply needs to tap on Add Token button, then enter the serial number of the token printed on the front of the card. Scan the QR code on the back of the card, or tap the token on the back of the phone. Once paired, simply press Add and token will appear on the home screen. The customer has the option to keep the token locked and use the VeryPay app to unlock it when they want to make a transaction. It is also possible to remove the token and add a new one quickly and easily. VeryPay has a functionality called group sharing, which allows multiple users to access a single e-wallet account. This is great for family members, such as children or elderly parents, or helpers like a carer or a nanny. To set this up and manage group members, just press the Group tab on the VeryPay app. For each group member, you can link a token to them, set up payment limits per token. The home screen displays all the tokens of the group members in a carousel. VeryPay group sharing allows group members to transact at merchants independently without the presence of the main account holder, using NFC payment devices linked to your mobile money account. Next, let's look at the merchant and agent app. The home screen displays the merchant's phone number, a button to show merchant's QR code, and a summary of sales they made today. Customer actions are also listed, including accept payment, refund payment, withdraw cash, top up wallet. As an example, let's imagine John, a group member, has a bracelet and wants to buy something from the merchant. The merchant needs to tap on the accept payment button, enter the amount, and tap next. Then John just needs to tap his bracelet on the NFC antenna of the agent's device. Using APIs, the VeryPay system instructs the wallet provider to execute the transaction. The merchant app then displays the transactions, details, and payment is complete. To provide a record of each transaction, VeryPay works with mobile portable printers, which connect to the merchant's device via Bluetooth. As an agent, you can use VeryPay to let customers cash in. Simply tap on the top-up button, enter the amount, and tap next. Customers can then tap their token or provide their wallet ID, entering it manually or scanning the customer's QR code from their VeryPay customer app. Tap next to verify, and the customer taps accept to complete the process. Agent can also enable cash withdrawals for customers. They simply tap on the withdraw cash button, enter the amount, and tap next. The customer then selects Pay and Withdraw on the home screen of the customer app. The customer then scans the QR code from the agent app and taps Accept on the customer app to complete the transaction. VeryPay displays the transaction details screens on both apps afterwards. Both the customer and merchant apps have a history of transactions where users can apply different filters to look for specific transactions and financial records. VeryPay also allows for push notifications to the main eWallet user. Finally, VeryPay has a back office system. This is a web application for administering and reporting. It benefits large retailers, for example, giving them a bird's eye view of the VeryPay system, such as the number of active customers, merchants, and devices. As a customer or merchant, you can view the number of successful transactions and the number of users for different time periods. There is also reporting functionality covering transactions, tokens, users, devices, and more. This is helpful if you are running a small business or have a large family. Thank you for watching this short demonstration of the VeryPay apps. Please contact us for more details and if you have any questions.